You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. You need to unmute yourself, Ms. Flores.
Got it.
All right. Now,
Yes, sir.
solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Fuentes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
There's two Fuenteses. Jesus Fuentes is the one you're approaching now.
We can hear you, Judge.
Okay, he didn't answer my question. He promises to
Oh.
tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, ma'am, put your hand down. Ms. Jo Marie Flores, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Jo Marie Flores, and I am the mother to Jacob Gerardo Fuentes.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Jesus J. Fuentes, father, son.
All right, and representing the father.
Yes, Your Honor. Kathleen Bossler. Good morning.
Okay, good morning.
And I'm Emily Gilman representing the mother, Judge.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. And representing the Attorney General of the state of Texas.
Luis Regla.
All right, we've got an original petition of suit affecting parent-child relationship with the acknowledgement of paternity. What are we doing today, Mr. Regla?
Yes, Judge, we're approaching the court for a transfer to district court. Both sides have filed an answers, and I believe one side filed a motion to transfer. Is that correct, Ms. Gelman?
Yes, Mr. Regla.
And Judge,
Okay.
we're in agreement with that.
I agree with that as well.
All right, is this going to be a custody issue?
It
Yes,
is.
Judge.
It is, okay. All right, then this matter is transferred to the 247th District Court. DRO mediation is ordered. Anything further?
That's all I have, Judge. Can everybody be excused?
Yes, Miss Bossler, I haven't seen you in years.
Oh, Judge, it's been a whole pandemic ago.
All right, good to see you again, folks.
Judge, I have a quick question. You said that we're ordered to the DRO mediation. We can choose a private mediator, correct? Without offending
You
this
can,
court?
you can if, you know, but the courts always want mediation before you show up over there.
I appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge.
All right. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. You can log off, Jo Marie.
All right, good morning. The second case is 2021-68163 in the interest of Ezequiel Fuentes. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, sir, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Octavio Fuentes and no relationship.
And representing the state.
Luis Regla.
Court will note that the custodial parent Concepcion Rivera Vasquez is not present. She was personally served on November 2nd, 2021, 10:44 a.m. at 13130 Edge Hill Drive in Houston, Harris County, Texas. She's not appeared to file an answer. Is that correct?
Correct, Judge. She appeared today in the negotiation session. I gave her the instructions to join us by Zoom, and now she's not joining us for whatever reason. So we'd like to proceed by default without her.
Okay, so she was present earlier?
Yes, this morning for the negotiation.
Okay,
And she hasn't switched over, and it's been about 15 minutes, and she still hasn't joined us. So we'd like to proceed without her, Judge.
and what are we doing today, Mr. Regler?
Yes, Judge. The reason we're having a hearing in this case is my office filed this suit based on an acknowledgement of paternity back when the child was born. The parties did private DNA testing and got results showing that this is not the biological father of the child. However, that was never actually turned into a court order. And so we'd like to approach today and order a new round of testing so that we'll have results that comply with the law and that we can use to show that this man is not actually the biological father of the child in this case.
What is the reset date?
July 6th. July 6th, Judge.
All right, then, father's challenge to the AOP is granted. DNA testing is ordered and the case is reset to July 6th, 2022.
All right.
Any
Thank you
further?
very much, Judge.
Yes,
May the father be excused?
yes.
Okay. Mr. Fuentes, that'll be it for today. I'll have your signature so you can log off whenever you're ready. We'll see you next time, sir.
All right, y'all have a good one.
Have a good one, sir.
Thank you.
Hold on. 2021, 32, 269.
Your Honor, let me ask you one question. I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you hear like something being read? I'm trying to figure out if that's coming from my end.
Do I hear?
Do you
Something?
hear anything being read out loud?
No.
Okay, I need to log off and log back on. There's something going on my end, and I can't really hear well.
All right, is this a Dontre George case?
Yes, it is.
Okay,
I'm gonna log back in. I don't know what's happening.
okay. We'll wait for you to log back on.
Okay, thank you.
That better?
Much better. I think there was like maybe a hearing impaired thing that was on or something.
All right. This is cause number 2021-32269 in the interest of Maya George. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Mr. George? Mr. George, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Do you have an answer to my question?
Said yes, sir.
Okay. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Kayla Spencer, the parent.
All right, sir, your name and your relationship to the child.
Dontre George, father.
And representing the state of Texas.
Kara Mitchell.
We've got an original petition and a suit affecting parent-child relationship with an AOP. What are we doing today?
Your Honor, this is the AOP challenge. Mr. George has requested DNA testing for the child.
Mr. George, you don't think you're the father of this child?
I just want to make sure that for sure. I don't want to have any doubts later on down the line, but I'm not saying
Do you,
that she isn't. But
do you have a doubt now?
to be honest, a few months ago, in the midst of me going through what I was going through, I had the doubts, and I really I don't too much feel like that. But to be sure, so the doubts won't creep back in, I would like to see it on paper. That way, I can't deny what's mine or even have those doubts about my little one. I want to be sure for sure. Like, Dontre, that's your baby girl.
Okay, Miss Spencer, is there any possibility that he's not the father of this child?
No, sir.
All right. Has he ever told you that he's not the father of this child?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go ahead and do the DNA testing. That way you don't have to hear about it anymore, okay?
Thank you.
So father's challenge to OP is granted, DNA testing is ordered, and the case is reset to July 6th,
Yes,
2022. Anything further?
I have
All
nothing.
right, that'll work.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.